Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Kirduverse. Today we are going to solve a problem based on the reducible exact differential equation format 1 that we read in previous video. I'll keep the link of previous video downside, you go for that also. So here it is a unit first M2 part. So our aim is to get 1K views. So format 1 we problem taken is x square by minus 2xy square dx equal to x cube minus 3x square by dy. It's looking somewhat complicated now. We'll make it easy. It's nothing in this, just it looking only complicated. Actually, it is so much easy. So we are going to solve it. So firstly, we can see here the equation they given. That is in the form of m dx plus n dy. What is the condition here? This term we can take as m. Because here x term also available, y term also available. Both the term available, so this we can take as m. This we can take as n. Because here also same. Both the terms are available. X term also, y term also. So this both we can take as m and n. So first what we have to solve, dou m over dou y. So that we starting solving. So here what we getting, dou m is m part, this part, the differentiating with respect to y. So what we getting here, first y is going, so x square. Here y square, so it is 2 coming front and it leaving y, so minus 4xy. This is the first what we getting, dou m over dou y. Secondly, dou n over dou x. Again here see, here we are differentiating n with respect to x. So x cube will become 3x square. So 3x square minus 3x square y. So here x square 3 will come front. So it will be 6xy. So it is 6xy. But here by mistakenly I written minus, it is plus. So it is 3x square minus 6xy. Hence what we are observing here, dou m over dou y value is different, dou n over dou x value is different. So these both are not equal. So it means they are not in the form of exact differential equation. Now we have to solve it to take it in the exact differential equation form. But here check. So here check x square y means x square 2 power y 1 power, it is 3. 2x y square x y square, x is 1 power, y square is 2 power. This is also 3. X cube already 3. 3x square y means x square is 2, y is 1, it is also 3. So all having 3 powers, so it is a homogeneous equation. So we will solve it as homogeneous. So homogeneous IF formula what? IF equal to mx plus ny. This only. So we will apply m and n value here and we'll solve, then we'll get the IF value that we have to multiply with this equation. After multiplying this equation, we'll get the exact differential equation. So let's do it. So here we take an IF. This is our equation. In that we multiplied x and y respectively as per the IF formula. So now solving it, we multiplied x here. This is, we can see, after x square here become x cube. Here 2x, here it become 2x square. Here we multiplied y because here x, after x cube no y, but here y there. After that minus 3x square y square it became. Okay, this is first thing what we done. Now what we doing, here you see this bracket there. Now we're removing this bracket. So it minus coming inside, this minus coming inside, multiplying. So here minus x cube y plus 3x square y square. Now what we can see, this plus, this minus, this is plus, this is minus, so we cutting both. Next this is minus 2x square y square, here is plus 3x square y square. So 3 minus 2 here, what will happen, 3 minus 2 is 1, positive 1. So that only IF equal to 1 over x square plus y square, that we got the final answer. Now this we multiplying in the our first equation or original equation, that is this. So we multiplying here. So 1 by x square y minus 2x y square dx equal to x cube minus 3x square y square dx. This is our equation. So what we done, we taken this side So we multiplied this x square y square in full equation. So here multiplying means what? Here we got 1 by y minus 2x dx. Next this term be taken this side, so minus this multiplied means x over y square minus 3y dy equal to 0. How we got means here x square term got by cutted by and y square, so single y left. So here we can see 1 by y only left. Next this term again we multiplying in this, so x and x square, 1x cutted, so 1x downside, y square got cut, so minus 2yx. Like this first term will come. Second term, for second term x square, here x cube there, so upside 1x left, downside y square, so x by y square. Next this we multiplying with this means x square cutted by 2y square means single y left, so minus 3y. This term came this side, so minus dy equal to 0. This is the equation we got. Now further we simplifying it. So for further simplification, what we're doing, we're taking this 3 by y in front. So here this minus we're taking outside, so it will be plus 3 by y square dy equal to 0. Now it is again in the form of m dx plus n dy. If you check here by xy both function term, here also xy both them, so this is function of xy both m and n. It is in the form of m dx plus n dy. So now again be checking dou m over dou y equal to dou n over dou x for our exact differential equation. So firstly dou m over dou y we doing here. So dou over dou y, this is m term we kept. So firstly we keeping it separately for 1 by y different, for 2yx different. So dou over dou y 1 by, what is this? It will be y inverse now. So y inverse is what? Y inverse means minus y minus square. Like one term here increasing, and here one term increasing and minus term coming front, so minus y minus 2. And here no y term, so it is becoming 0. Next dou n over dou x we doing means dou n over dou x equal to dou over dou x. This we kept n term. So dou over dou x with respect to 3 by y means here no x term, so it is 0. Next minus dou over dou x over y square. So x becoming 0, and this pi square x becoming 1 not 0, because differentiating with respect to x, so it became 1. Now y square we taking upside, so it is y minus power 2 and minus sign here, so these both we see now equal. So dou m over dou y equal to dou n over dou x is equal, so it is in exact differential equation form. Now we solving it with its steps. So step 2 is integrating with respect to dx, that is m term only. Here y we taking constant, so integral 1 by y minus 2x, so we differentiating it. So here firstly what coming, 1 by y dx. So 1 by y b was taken outside, so integral 1 by dx means x over y came. Next secondly 2 by x dx, here one integral 1 by x means what, log x. 2 is constant, so outside, so it is x over y minus 2 log x. Integration formula you guys knows I think, but still I'll keep your video, you check those. Next now what we're doing, we finding integral n minus dou over dou y m dx dy. So it is firstly what we're doing, we're keeping it in parts. So firstly we're solving this part. So dou over dou y m dx just before some time we done back side, so that we kept here x over y minus 2 log x. So dou over dou y 1 by y, x is constant, so we taken outside, so 1 by y what, same like back side, minus y square y minus 2 minus y power minus 2. Here dou y with respect to x means 0, it becoming 0, so minus x over y square minus 0. So that is the, we got term dou over dou y m dx. Now we solving this term, this we solved. Now we solving this. So here what we got, n plus x over y square dy. N value we now putting here. So here we observing minus x over y square plus x over y square both same. So these two got cut. So now only term left is 3 by y square. So only term left here is 3 by y square. So integral 3 by y dy. So we knows only 1 by y integral is log. So log y. 3 is constant, so 3 log y. So this is the value of this one. Now what final step we have to do is to keep both integral m dx and this one. Step third value here. Is equal to x over y minus 2 log x plus 3 log y. This is the final solution of our exact differential equation. Thank you guys. Subscribe and like to our video and comment for next video.